Come here, girls. Come here. Chick, 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 chick. Hey everyone, Gary with CENLA Backyard Chickens here. Today I want to show you guys the latest build that I have, and it's called a grow out pen. Whenever your chicks are too big for the brooder but not big enough to go in with the main flock, this is what you want them to have, is a nice grow out pen, which is nice and roomy for them. But actually this is versatile enough that you can use it for many things. You put some wheels on here, you'd have a great chicken tractor. You have a broody hen, you can put her in here, she can raise her chicks to a nice ripe age. Just so many things that you can do with this, but I want to show you some of the features that I've incorporated in this. As we know, because we raise chickens, space is a premium. So the coop itself is built off the ground, so all of that square footage you can actually go under it. Also, access is very important to us. So we have windows all around. We have an access point over here on the bottom. You'll come around here and look at the back. The back comes down so we can completely get into the coop. We can get in here, we can clean, we can do maintenance, whatever we need to do. And if you come up and you'll look right here, I've incorporated a small fan. This is a low output fan. It's got a low volume to it. It's very quiet. The bearings are between 18 and 22,000 hours. You can have, in the summertime, you can put a little bit of fresh air in here. In the wintertime, you can turn it the other way around to pull ammonia and what have you out of it. So it makes a really nice addition if you would want to use that. Now come around the front of it over here. Again, we talked about access. The entire coop is wrapped with hardware cloth, so nothing's going to get in here. But we also have this kind of access right here. If you need to get in here and work on the coop, you can definitely do that. Now look at the door coming out. I built it with a slide that has 3 different levels to it. You can leave it right here, let your birds go in and out as they please. You can put it right here and it blocks all access. They can't move. Or you can put it right here and they can't go in and out, but they can at least look and get a breeze and what have you through there. So that's pretty nice to be able to have that. Everything is latched down with good locks that are predator resistant. Now one of the things you're really going to like about this coop, come over here and look at this, let me show you. This I'm very proud of, more and more access. You just raise the lid up. There you go. Now you can get in here and look inside this coop. I've got a raised roost up form right here, and I wrap this with good rope. Makes it a lot better feel for the chicken's feet. Feels more like a branch than a piece of wood or something right here. So that's good quality. Very nice. This would make a great grow out pen, a great chicken tractor, a great nursery if you got a hen with some chicks in here. Just give me a call if you're interested in it. I can build you one of these today. Thanks.